Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show how you can convert a waste soap box into a beautiful wall decor piece. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Take the soap box and draw a line of 4.5 cm. Then extend the line on the other side. And again join it to the corner of the box. Then cut the flaps of the box using a scissor. Now cut along the drawn line. And you will get the shape like this. Now take a tissue paper and cut it into pieces. Take a glass or bowl with a little water and pour glue into it. Mix the glue and water well. Now apply the mixture over the box and stick tissue paper over it. Cover the entire box using the tissue paper. Now take a square cardboard piece of 14 cm by 14 cm and cover this also with tissue paper. The box is dried, paint it with white color. I have painted all 4 sides. You can leave the back side and paint the other three sides. Also cover the cardboard piece with white color. Now decorate the box using waste laces or ribbon. I have also pasted a bow to make it look more beautiful. Also cover the borders of the cardboard piece with lace or a ribbon. Now stick the box over the cardboard piece. Now decorate the cardboard piece using some beads and a beautiful wall decor piece is ready. If you enjoyed this video, do hit like button and subscribe my channel for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.